Focus, focus, focus. Oh, we're moving. That's the snake.
That was the
what was that?
That was the brand.
Mama, your tit. That's what I'm sleeping tonight.
We're not sleeping
Oh.
tonight, that's for sure.
Oh my, so fun.
I love it. Not fun, you guys.
Where did that There she goes.
Hey, where's Greg?
Shoot!
Hey, where's Greg? We might need to start the houseboat.
That was crazy. A big air mattress. Oh, Span, come in this side.
Do not open that.
Yeah, don't open it. Here. I'm gonna go and help.
What, Jen? Make sure no one's back there. He's got to start the boat.
Go out this door.
Make sure that he's starting it, so tell him.
You gotta start it. Hey, where's this?
Let's stand. I've never seen a floor like that. Not like that.
Oh my
God. Say it, but we're not saving everything.
The garbage flew off the top. The garbage went everywhere. Hey, Dia. I just got so much sand in my eye. Sir, behind you, sir, behind you. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. That first one, I was like, holy crap.
That is insane. It's sandblasting our skin.
That hurt so bad.
Right now. Yeah, we gotta push it back. Should I do this or what?
We're on
Look at all the spikes on the wall.
Cargo safe, cargo safe.
Yeah!
Here, Al, let's take off the tarp.
The tarp?
This thing.
Oh yeah, it's ripping. Your tent's not going anywhere. Dude, it blew the rock from the ground. Hey, wait for this gust to stop. Wait for the gust to stop. Okay, go. Oh wait, here comes another one. Wait.
Calming force.
Here comes a dust devil. Oh, fricker.
Oh, the legs! Oh boy! I was not expecting that.
I saw it, that's why I came in front of you. I was like, nope.
Go in so you don't get caked with sand, Dark.
Right up there by the surfboard. Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, 100 in.
Ooh.
Beep. A couple more. Okay.
That's having fun driving the houseboat.
You're booking it in.
I get bored. I'm like, sweet, I got inside. Then all of a sudden, boom, the whole beach just,
Yeah, you're taking your sweet time, looking back.
the whole beach just clears to the water.
I
Like,
saw those kayaks over there get picked up and tucked, and I'm like, oh, these kayaks, they're there to lay here.
Yeah, Jeffy was out here laying up in the air.
Yeah, I was like, Dad, come on.
I just saw the whole beach just go, whoa.
One big go.
Yeah,
Everything. Boom. I saw it.
Tables, chairs, everything.
My dad's like, go upstairs and check everything upstairs. So I get to the stairs.
Trash
I get to the
can.
stairs and look up. The trash can just goes. All the trash empties out.
Well, that was the only positive thing about the whole thing.
Yeah, we just got one trash can later.
I saw air mat just over there.
Was it really? It was like,
It looked like it
I thought it was going down.
It was like that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's Randy saw it.
Is that one further up? Is that sideways on the beach now?
I think it might be. That far houseboat? Are you guys good?
Over here.
I know.
Oh, really?
Did your houseboat tip a little bit?
Oh, yeah.
We looked over and we're like, oh no. Oh, we just got sandblasted. It's stuck to our bodies. Yeah.
Wait, so they're not even there?
Trying to secure that so if another one comes, it'll wipe all of us out.
Okay.
This morning we took up in that speedboat this morning. You guys okay over there?
Yeah.
Where are you guys at, just around the corner?
Yeah, we're
We're just right on the other side of the beach.
This?
Did this back anchor come undone?
It broke the entire wheels off the back of the boat.
Shoot.
So there's nowhere to put another rope.
You telling me it broke the thing off?
It's right here. See that pipe in the water? Way.
Oh my.
Yeah, it busted that whole pipe right off the top deck.
Jeez.
Took the railing off with it. You see how the railing's all jacked up back there?
Oh my. Is that your houseboat right there? Just down there?
What's that?
Is that yours? Just down there?
No, we're right here in this one.
Oh. Oh yeah, okay.
I mean, we're here, turned the motors on and steered into it, but
Yeah, you guys almost tipped.
yeah, we were like,
Yeah.
that was crazy.
We looked over and you guys were like, oh
You guys
no.
like head on, man.
Oh yeah, we got sandblasted.
Really?
Our garbage, like everything just flew off the beach. It just got whipped in the air and chucked.
All our chairs and everything's in the garbage can exploded out.
All our garbage cans just exploded.
Yeah, it hit her in the
I go
head.
up the stairs and the trash can just goes right over my head.
That was scary.
I'm like, this isn't that bad. I turned and I got sandblasted.
Yeah, we see a massive wall and we're like curring inside. We shut the door within like 2 seconds of it hitting.
So it didn't even move you guys, did it?
Oh yeah, it moved us.
It did move you guys?
Even like we were moving side to side
Holy crap.
and it was hitting us head on.
Look at that railing. Look at that thing.
Their whole anchor connected to the back got snapped off.
Thank you so much. Their anchor ripped off their entire railing. Look at that.
That's for their back anchor.
Oh, wow. Just take that all over.
If you're on in here, this isn't your guys' boat.
They're gone.
Yeah, nobody.
Is there like stuff on there? Like,
Oh yeah, it's a mess.
Shoot.
He left, he took off this morning in his boat.
oh, you're here. We thought your boat was going over.
Did you see that? It was like,
It was sideways.
tipping.
And oh my gosh, that boat's tipping over. And then you disappeared in the wind.
yeah, luckily we were just over at the marina. We came back and it was just, we luckily turned the motor on. We had it saved it.
Oh, is that
Was it
your
leaning?
boat
Was
trying
it
to come
leaning?
in?
Yeah, it was leaning like that.
Yeah.
It was leaning really bad. I
Yeah.
thought for sure it was over.
We were like, oh, maybe we should just wait it out over here and then we'll park our boat. Luckily we parked the boat.
That would have
We
been
would have
bad.
lost the houseboat.
We're gonna call somebody because I'm just afraid the lake's going up. It's gonna floating down the green in a couple of days if he doesn't come back. So
I don't know if it's going anywhere, not gonna lie.